Hello friends, there is one question from fundamentals in front of us. Let's solve this. Naresh and Sukesh are the partners with the capitals of 3 lakh each. So that means 3 lakh from Naresh and 3 lakh is from Sukesh. That is on 31st March 2024. Now here these capitals are provided us on the closing date, right? Naresh had withdrawn 50,000 against the capital and 1000 were drawings against the profit. So here Naresh made two drawings. This question is making us clear for the point drawings against capital and drawings against profit. As in the question I am not given the capital were fixed, so that means I need to calculate the opening capitals, right? So how to solve for opening capital I have told in the earlier videos also. Then when you have to find out the opening capital, what you have to follow from the trading and P&L account, you know very well that opening capital is added with the net profit earned during the year and deducted with the drawings to calculate your closing capital. So when we are given closing capital, we will follow totally opposite method. From the closing capital, we will add drawings and we will deduct net profit. So in the question I was given the closing capital for Naresh and Sukesh. They were 3 lakh each. The drawings of Naresh were rupees 50,000 against capital and rupees 1 lakh against profit, but Sukesh has a drawing of rupees 1 lakh against profit only, right? Then after that question says that IOC is to be allowed at the rate of 10%, the net profit for the year 2 lakh which is yet to be distributed. So profit is not distributed in calculation of these capital. That means what, we have only to do adjustment of drawings because net profit is yet to be distributed, it has not been distributed. If it is not added, then we will not deduct it, right? So here we got our opening capitals were 4 lakh 50,000 and 4 lakh. Now, in this case, we have to provide interest at the rate 10%. For Sukesh, who made only drawings against profit, his opening capital was 4 lakh. 4 lakh would be given interest at the rate 10%. We got a value of 40,000. So, drawings against profit are the drawings on which we do the case of interest on drawings. Second important point is that these drawings are only at the end of the year, so we are not taking them for the consideration of your IOC. But when we are doing the point for Naresh's interest on capital, his opening capital was 4 lakh 50,000, which stood 4 lakh 50,000 till the date 1st of October when he draw against capital. His withdrawal from his capital was of rupees 50,000 here, right? So from 1st of April to 30th of September, we will take total capital for Naresh 4 lakh 50,000. 10% for 6 divided by 12, interest is to 22,500. Then from 1st of October, from his capital he withdrew 50,000, so his capital became 4 lakh. We will not see drawings against capital for calculation of IOC. So his capital was 4 lakh, 10% for 6 divided by 12, interest was 20,000. How much interest on capital is payable to him? 42,500, right? So question is asking me the journal entries for P&L appropriation account only. So from the P&L appropriation account, IOC appears on the debit side, right? So P&L appropriation account to Naresh capital to Sukesh capital for the point of your IOC. We passed it for 82,500 because we got IOC 42,540. So 42,540 makes your total of 82,500. Now in the P&L appropriation there was a profit of 2 lakh. We deducted 82,500 for IOC. How much is the leftover profit? That profit question is silent, so it would go on the equal ratio, right? So P&L appropriation account debit to Naresh capital to Sukesh capital for profit appropriation. What journal is made over here? P&L appropriation account debit to Naresh to Sukesh capital account. This total profit was distributed equally. The point we discussed in this particular video, the important one is there are two types of drawings. One are drawings against profit, another are drawings against capital. The drawings which are against capital are considered for the calculation of interest on capital, and drawings against profit are considered for calculation of interest on drawings. Thank you. Accountitude. Keep scrolling. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.